What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be packing for spring break. So it's that time of year, we're approaching spring vacations. I'm going to Florida with my boyfriend, and as per usual, I'm packing in a carry-on. I actually went to LA recently and I brought a whole luggage, and I was just reminded as to why I only pack in a carry-on. First of all, I brought so much stuff I didn't even look at. Second of all, like waiting for your baggage, not knowing if your baggage made it to the destination or didn't is a stress that I just don't want to have. So I'm going to show you guys how to pack for a spring vacation. I did this in the summer, showing you guys how to pack 100 outfits in a carry-on, so make sure to check that out. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of an updated version. This is actually what I'm packing. I always find it very helpful to see what people are actually bringing with them rather than like outfit ideas. But if you do want more packing tips on how to fit things into a carry-on, I would definitely recommend checking out that video because there were a lot of helpful tips in there. I also did a video, a winter edition, so if you are going somewhere where it's not incredibly warm, I did do this when I was going to London. Before we get into the video, I do want to show you guys some things that I picked up from FARFETCH. I've worked with FARFETCH a few times on my channel, and I'm going to show you guys some things that I picked up for the springtime. I did pick up some things that I'm going to be bringing with me on this trip, so I thought I would get into it. FARFETCH is one of my favorite places to pick up, I was gonna say like designer items, but they don't even just have designer items, they have like everything. Women's clothes, accessories, men's clothes and accessories, shoes, bags, ranging from affordable to, you know, very high-end luxury. I actually bought my boyfriend's Christmas present on FARFETCH. Like, I'm always just shopping on there because they oftentimes have things that are impossible to find anywhere else. I bought him an Olive Brown bathing suit and I found it on FARFETCH for a great price. Those bathing suits go for like $200 to $300 and I got it for like I think just over $100. I don't know what kind of magical deals they have or how they do it, but they do have it, and I do of course have a discount for you guys. The details will be on the screen and also in the description box. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm actually wearing a lot of things that I got from FARFETCH. These Chloe fluffy slides are some of my most used, most worn slides. They are so incredibly comfortable. I have so many pairs of slides from Chloe, and a lot of people say they're really uncomfortable, and don't get me wrong, they're not like wearing Birkenstocks. These ones in particular with the fur, I wear them non-stop. I got a 36 in these. I definitely could have gone up to a 37, but these I wear all the time. They feel like slippers. They're so cute. So I will leave them linked down below as well. So the first thing I picked up is actually this blazer. You're probably like, we're sick of hearing you talk about these blazers. You talk about them all the time, and they're just truly the best blazers. They're definitely a little bit of an investment, but when I tell you they are the best fitting, such amazing quality blazers. I get so many compliments on these blazers whenever I wear them. This is the B blazer, Bia. I called it Bia blazer, and then Nikki made fun of me. She's like, it's the B blazer. Anyways, Bia, B, I don't care. It is the best blazer. I also have the boyfriend blazer, and I find that one too bulky and oversized in the shoulders. I definitely prefer the B blazer. So this is it. I'm going to show you guys better, but this is it. It's very oversized. I have it on with some sweatpants here, but I got this new color and I wear it all the time. It looks good with denim. It looks good with even sweatpants, more casual outfits, leggings. I have it in black, a darker brown, and this color, and it is perfect. Again, I love how versatile it is. So when you're packing for a spring vacation or any vacation, you could bring one blazer and you can wear it over dresses, over skirts, with shorts and a blouse, shorts and a t-shirt with sneakers and a baseball cap. You can put it, like I said, over leggings. The options are endless. You really only need to bring one and you could wear it so many different ways. So then I actually picked up this little dress to go under it. It is this dress from Reformation, this brown little short mini dress. What I love so much about this dress is that it goes in at the waist, but it's just a really flattering silhouette, and the linen material allows you to either dress it up with like, you could dress it up with a little pair of mules. I wanted to throw this blazer on top. You could even throw the blazer over your shoulders, or you can dress it down with like a little pair of slides or sneakers for during the day. First saw it on the Reformation site and it was sold out, but then I lucked out. Found it on FARFETCH. Then I kind of like bought this like whole outfit. I found this gold belt. I have to be honest, I don't love wearing belts. I don't know why. I just am not like a huge belt fan, but sometimes I need a belt to cinch my waist. That adds to the outfit. So I picked up this like brushed gold belt. I don't know if you can see the detail, but it kind of looks like a little vintage, and it's not a shiny gold, so it's not gonna like catch your eye too much. It definitely is like a little bit more subtle. These belts are great for if you want to cinch in like summer dresses, and it even looks really cute with this. And here is the dress with the blazer on top. So freaking cute. I love the little detail of the belt. All the tones work together so nicely. So last year I bought this Longchamp bag, which is like a mini version of the classic Longchamp. I think this is called the Pliage. They make really good beach bags because they just like literally wash off. So I got this one and I fell in love with it. It's like a medium size, but I have a soft spot in my heart for tiny little bags. So when I saw this, I freaked out. This mini Pliage with a little top handle is so freaking adorable. I do wish that it came with a crossbody strap. They do have a leather version. I don't know if it's quite this small, but they have a leather version that comes with a crossbody strap. But something about this classic black with this delicious brown just... I fell in love immediately. And I love that they're on the more affordable side because if you wanted to, you know, test out a funky color, you can. If you look at my bag collection, you'll notice there's a theme. It's pretty much all like beige, black, brown. If I'm spending that much, I want a bag that goes with as many outfits as possible. So when I saw this, I was like, that is perfect. It is the perfect way to incorporate color in like my accessories without spending an arm and a leg. This bag comes in so many different colors. It comes in a delicious like tan nude color. It comes in a beautiful army green color, but I went with this delicious little baby pink. That's what I picked up, and I'm super excited about all of it. I'm super excited that there is a discount code. Make sure you're checking FARFETCH frequently. They always have sales. Like, that's how I got my boyfriend's present. Super affordable. So I will leave everything linked down below that I just picked up. When you're packing in a carry-on, step one is always map out the outfits that you need so that you guaranteed have outfits for that event. Once you have that, you can then add some things if you have extra room. Our flight departs at 6 a.m. so I need an airport outfit. I'm not someone who takes my airport outfits very seriously. I typically just wear like leggings, a sports bra, and a sweater, especially when I'm going somewhere warm. That way, if I, you know, get there and it's really hot, I can just take my sweater off. So I always make a rough note, and then I'll go in, and once I start getting my outfits together, I'll put it in my phone because I'm not gonna like carry this around with me. So then on day one, I need an airport outfit, I need a beach outfit, and then I need a dinner outfit. Day two, I need a beach outfit and then a dinner outfit. And day three, I need a beach outfit and then a dinner outfit. And then on day four, our flight is late. So I'll probably need a beach outfit or a day outfit and then another airport outfit. Really, I only need 4 beach or day outfits, 3 dinner outfits, and then 2 airport outfits. So realistically, like, that's not a lot of stuff. I've actually narrowed it down considerably. Because I used to be a notorious overpacker. I used to be like, well, what if there's a snowstorm that blows through Miami? Like, it's not happening. So these are the carry-ons that I'm using. This is the Bayes carry-on. I recently, in my last video, I used the Monos carry-on, and I actually really prefer the Bayes. It has so many different pockets, so it makes, you know, organizing very easy. I do have the Weekender bag, but I feel like I like this puffy duffel more. What's great about this one is that it also has an extender, so if you need more room, you can extend it and it turns into an even bigger bag. Step number one I always do is go through my closet and pick things out that I think I might want to wear. It's not completely organized, honestly. I'm a little embarrassed to take you into my closet, but that's what I do. I just go through and pull out everything I think I could possibly want to wear. So this section of my closet is all of like the dressier dresses, and then it goes into my dressier tops and bodysuits. So let's see. I wore this the last time I was in Florida. I'm not gonna wear it again. No, no, no. This is a cute option. It's a little black skirt. This is a little black skirt set. This can be an interesting option, but knowing me, like I love this, knowing me, I'm not going to gravitate towards that when I'm on vacation. We can go right by the knit dresses. I don't need that there. And then moving on to shirts. These are all like thicker sweater materials, and I know it can get a little chilly at nighttime. This is a top from Revolve that I just got in. I haven't worn it yet. This could be a cute option with a pair of jeans, a simple pair of jeans. This is another little white top. I feel like this could be a fun moment. There's a few things I bring on every vacation, like a basic bodysuit in the classic black white colors, and then I also love bringing linen overshirts because they really dress up an outfit. Even if you just have shorts and a bodysuit on, it really just is such an easy thing to throw on that brings your outfit to the next level. So here I have some Newman stuff. This linen dress. I need to remember to steam everything. This little brown set. Here I have all my button-ups and overshirts, and I think I'm just going to grab a simple white one. Okay, so like I said, I like having things that all kind of work together and having an idea in my head. So I know I want to definitely bring this bathing suit. One day I want to wear this little knit set with these knit shorts. It's a little bit see-through, so this is something I would definitely just wear to the beach. But this shirt, you can throw it on over a pair of shorts. For another day, I can wear that bathing suit and throw it on with this as well for a cute little outfit. And then if I don't want to wear that bathing suit, I can wear this one, and it also goes with this cover up. And then another cover up I got is one from Revolve in this burnt orangey color. It also goes with the brown tones. Okay, so building on top of that, for a very casual outfit, I also have this little biker short set bodysuit thing from Aritzia. So this would look cute under that little knit shirt and a pair of sneakers. This I'm going to bring to wear with this skirt on top. So just from this, we have 3 beach day outfits and a casual outfit option. For my fancier options, I have, or my dressier nighttime options, I have this dress. It might be a little bit fancy. Instead of that white dress, which I thought might be a little bit too fancy for what we were doing, I packed this green dress, which is from Aritzia. I love the material. It's nice and flowy, and it comes to a midi length. Little linen dress, which I definitely want to wear with some white mules. So I have that with the matching top. Again, I love these little sets because if you want, you can take the top and pair it with jeans or pants. And then I have this little skirt set that I absolutely love from Dish. Of course, I can't forget about my brown little linen dress. One blazer just to throw on top. And then this way I have it if I want to dress up any other outfit as well. And then I have my favorite pair of a Goldie shorts, and I'm going to bring a white button up. I'm going to bring this little skirt or skirt as an option. This bodysuit from Revolve, and then you can't go wrong with a simple white and a simple black bodysuit. And for the jeans I'm going to bring the Denim Forum Joni jeans. These are just like my go-to jeans. They go with everything. For my bags, I'm going to bring these 2 babies, of course. And then for my dressier nighttime outfits, I'm bringing my favorite bag. For my shoes, I'm going to bring these to the beach because they wash off so nicely. I'm going to wear these sneakers from New Balance. I'm going to bring these, which are my go-to slides for a vacation because they can be dressed up or dressed down. And then I know myself, I'm not going to wear a ton of heels, but I'm going to bring these because these do dress up an outfit a little. Alright, so now it's time to pack up the carry-on, which is all going to fit in here. I have my laptop. Whenever I travel, I take my smaller laptop. The bigger one's just way too heavy, with all of my cords and cables and stuff that I need in there. My headphones, these other headphones that I need for the plane. Here I have all of my makeup brushes, pencils and stuff. My makeup, my toiletries are in my actual luggage. And then I have my wallet, 2 pairs of sunglasses, my wipes, my Kindle, some slides that didn't fit into my other carry-on, and then my purse. And then I also have the little mirror. This is like the heaviest part of everything, but it's okay because this sits on top of the other one. You don't actually need to be carrying it. And then this folds up. This is going to kind of act as like my little beach bag, my hat, my Tangle teaser, my phone, and that's pretty much. Alright, so it's a few days later. I have been to Florida and I've been back. I always like doing these like check-ins after the pack with me, after I've already gone on the trip, to let you guys know like what I actually used and what I could have left behind. And every time I go, I learn something new. For me, I wore all of the dresses, pretty much all of the dresses, and I didn't even dip into like the fancier tops. I didn't even wear the jeans or anything. So for me, I've come to realize that on these beach summer, vacations, I really gravitate more towards dresses, so I could have left a lot of the shirts out. I think if you're going for a longer trip, it's really important and good to have a lot of those shirts. But for me personally, the next time I go somewhere warm, I'm going to maybe bring like a bodysuit, a t-shirt, and that's pretty much it, because now it's a common thing that I've noticed that I really only wear the dresses that I bring. I just wanted to mention, I created this. I'm trying to be a little bit more helpful here on my videos, rather than just saying like this is what I'm bringing, this is what I'm buying, and showing you guys. I'm trying to be a little bit more helpful. So I'm taking a class, started school again. Anyways, I'm learning all about style and body shapes and stuff. So I have a whole series coming on my Instagram and YouTube about styling for your body shape. That's a different story, but I'm just trying to be more helpful. So I created these templates for you guys that you can download. The link will be in the description box, and these are my pro planner templates. Here I have them printed. You can either print them out and actually write on them like I did here, or you can open them on your computer. I made them fillable so you can type on it, and then if you have an iPad, you can actually use them in any notes app and actually just write on the iPad and save it. But the first one is the vacation outfit planner. So this one I would really use to go through each day, write what I'm doing, the outfit, just like a general, like what I'm planning to wear. And then also these little symbols are to circle whether it's a travel outfit, a day outfit, or a night outfit. You don't have to like fill all these out. You can pick and choose which one you want to use. So then I created the daily outfit planner, which is if you want to go through each day and outline exactly what you're going to be wearing day and night. You can write what the weather is going to be, the date, and any like little extra notes that you want to add. So you can either print one out for each day, fill one in for each day on like your computer or anything. And then I created a weekly outfit planner in case you want to kind of do an overview. The difference between the vacation outfit planner and the weekly outfit planner is that you can see there's a space here to write like what your top's going to be, your bottoms, accessories, shoes, so it's a little bit more in depth. You can print 2 of these, do one for the day, one for the night, or whatever you want, and then from that you can go through and create your packing list. So we have your clothes, your accessories, shoes, toiletries, and then your extras. So I put those in the description box. You can just download them, refer back to them whenever you want. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was a little bit helpful. I will leave all of the stuff I bought and all of the stuff I packed linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys back here next time. Bye!